The action camera market is entering a pivotal moment, and all eyes are on the Insta360 Ace Pro 3. Over the past few years, Insta360 has consistently shaken up the industry. While competitors played it safe with incremental updates, the Ace Pro series introduced bold moves, larger sensors, high-end Leica optics, and innovative features that felt like a bridge between professional cinema gear and compact adventure cameras. With the third generation rumored for 2026, the Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be the most transformative model yet, promising to redefine expectations for creators, filmmakers, and adventure enthusiasts alike. What makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 so highly anticipated is its rumored hardware leap. At the center of the buzz is a 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, a size unheard of in this category. A sensor like this dramatically improves low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. Smaller sensors have long limited action cameras, making dusk rides, forest trails, or snow-covered adventures susceptible to noise and lackluster detail. The Ace Pro 3, if the rumors hold, could solve this once and for all. Imagine filming a mountain bike descent at sunset and seeing every leaf, twig, and texture on the ground captured with clarity previously reserved for full-size cameras. The sensor alone promises to elevate the Ace Pro 3 from a consumer device to a tool capable of professional-grade imagery. Video performance is another area where the Ace Pro 3 could stand out. Leaks suggest 8K video at 30 frames per second with HDR and log support. For filmmakers, this opens doors to cinematic storytelling previously impossible in a compact action camera. The addition of 10-bit color at 4K 120 FPS is particularly exciting. Slow-motion sequences maintain rich color fidelity, giving editors the flexibility to craft professional-grade footage. For creators, vloggers, and content producers, the Ace Pro 3 could finally deliver high-quality video that doesn't require a second camera or heavy post-production corrections. The true innovation may lie in the camera's brain. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is rumored to feature a new AAA processing system. This advanced AI architecture could redefine how stabilization, controls, and image processing work in an action camera. Some leaks suggest flow state 2.0 stabilization with global shutter-like effects, effectively eliminating jello distortion caused by high-frequency vibrations. Gesture controls and smarter interface responsiveness could make the camera feel almost alive, adapting to the user in real time, reducing the friction that often comes with high-speed shooting. If true, this AI system may be as important to the Ace Pro 3's success as the sensor and optics themselves. Pricing is always a consideration with flagship devices, and early reports place the Ace Pro 3 between $549 and $599. While higher than its predecessors, this price signals that Insta360 is positioning it as a premium device. They are no longer the affordable alternative. Instead, they aim to capture creators who demand uncompromising quality and performance in a compact, adventure-ready form factor. For professional creators, this is an investment in reliability, image quality, and creative freedom, qualities that outweigh the incremental cost increase. The Ace Pro series has a clear history of innovation. The original Ace Pro, released in late 2023, introduced a flip-up screen, addressing a major vlogger demand, and featured Leica co-engineered lenses. The result was a color science and optical quality rarely seen in action cameras. Warm skin tones, natural colors, and cinematic profiles became instant favorites for travel filmmakers. The Ace Pro 2, dominating 2024 and 2025, built upon that foundation. 8K recording became a practical tool for reframing, cropping, and professional editing without losing detail. Limited editions and accessories, including specialized bundles, reinforced the ecosystem and created a culture around the camera line. Expectations for the Ace Pro 3 are immense. The original timeline anticipated a late 2025 release, but delays pushed it into early to mid-2026. While frustrating for enthusiasts, the delay appears strategic. The competitive landscape has intensified. DJI's Osmo Action 6 introduced a 1.1-inch sensor with a variable aperture, a first for the industry, and impressive low-light performance, though it still lacks 8K. Meanwhile, GoPro is rumored to be preparing a 1-inch sensor for the Hero 14. Against this backdrop, Insta360 recognized that a simple upgrade would be insufficient. The Ace Pro 3 must set the standard, not follow it. Internal developments also explain the timing. Insta360 recently launched the Anti-Gravity 1 drone, the world's first 8K 360 flying camera. The drone leverages similar high-end processing and AI systems as the Ace Pro 3. Balancing development across these revolutionary devices requires meticulous testing and optimization. Reports suggest that Insta360 is fine-tuning the AI, ensuring stabilization is flawless, and perfecting Leica optics. The goal isn't just to release the camera quickly, it's to deliver a product that is unquestionably best in class. For creators, the Ace Pro 3 promises an unprecedented combination: professional quality 8K video, a massive 50MP sensor, AI-assisted stabilization, and pocket-sized portability. Ruggedness remains a key selling point, with reports of dive-proof capabilities and durable construction. These features allow filmmakers and adventurers to capture cinematic footage in environments previously off-limits for small cameras. Whether documenting extreme sports, travel adventures, or vlogs, the Ace Pro 3 could finally allow creators to shoot without compromise. The philosophical shift is equally significant. Historically, action cameras involved compromises, small sensors, limited low-light capability, or unstable footage. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 seems to challenge this narrative. By combining a large sensor, Leica optics, AI processing, and cinematic video features, it aims to offer reliability, quality, and creative freedom in a compact form. For professional creators, this could mean carrying a single camera for multiple shooting scenarios, eliminating the need for backup rigs. The Ace Pro 3 also represents a statement of intent. Insta360 is no longer competing purely on price, they're competing on capability. This flagship positions itself as the tool for creators who want the best from a compact, rugged device, whether filming cinematic sequences, adventure sports, or travel content. Every rumored feature, from the sensor to stabilization to video processing, is designed to provide maximum creative control with minimal compromise. The series' history reinforces the hype. The Ace Pro line has consistently pushed boundaries, introduced bold new features, and cultivated a loyal community. Each generation has elevated expectations, and the third iteration is no exception. If the rumored features hold true, the Ace Pro 3 will provide professional-grade 8K video, unmatched stabilization, and a massive 50MP sensor, all in a durable, adventure-ready body. The era of compromise in action cameras could finally be over. Whether you're a professional filmmaker needing a crash cam that matches your main rig's color science or an adventurer seeking the highest quality memories of your travels, the Ace Pro 3 could be the answer. Its combination of Leica optics, AAA AI processing, and rugged portability positions it as a category-defining device. For the community, it isn't just about specs, it's about creative freedom and the ability to capture moments without limitation. Prepare your batteries, clear your SD cards, and get ready. The next era of action videography is nearly here, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 looks poised to lead it. From extreme sports to cinematic storytelling, this camera may finally allow creators to capture professional quality footage without compromise, all from a device small enough to fit in a pocket, yet robust enough to survive the most demanding environments.